Alright everyone, so we have some new phones at Metro by T-Mobile, and the Galaxy A53 is going to be one of them. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone out there is safe. So first and foremost, we have our first phone. It's going to be the Apple iPhone SE 3rd Gen. So anybody interested in picking this device up, this device is only going to be $79.99 when you switch. I think that's a really good deal. And what you get with that is a very outdated style. As you guys know already, if you've seen any videos on the new SE 3rd Gen, this is a very outdated style. We got those huge bezels at the top and the bottom. But there are a lot of people who love this style, and it looks like they keep reusing the body in each of these SEs. But if people are cool with it, that's cool. But $79.99 is definitely a great deal for what we get in here. First and foremost, obviously we have 5G cellular connectivity, 4.7-inch Retina HD display, advanced single camera system with 12 megapixel wide camera, smart HDR4, photographic styles, portrait mode, and a 4K video setup up to 60 frames per second. And for $79.99, I don't think you're gonna get much of a better camera on something other than the iPhone SE 3rd Gen. We also get the A53 Bionic chip for lightning fast performance, and with the performance and everything together, I think this is going to be a really good phone for anyone out there that wants to start off with an iPhone and not pay over $1,000 for it. So really good deal from Metro by T-Mobile right here. Super good stuff. And of course, the phone you guys have been waiting for, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G right here. This device is going to be $49.99 when you switch. That is a very good deal on this device. Obviously, we have a Super AMOLED display on this device. Really nice display in here. 120 hertz refresh rate, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and we have the option to use virtual RAM. We also have a really good camera in here that we can shoot up to 4K at. Reviews coming soon on this device, but so far this device has been nothing but great, and for $49.99, that is an excellent deal, considering this is $449 when you buy a factory unlocked variant. But I think this is a deal that a lot of people should definitely take a hold of, and I feel like this is going to be one of those phones that's just going to be like sold out in stores for a long time to come. Not even mentioning the security patches and the operating system updates we get for the next 4 years until 2026. Amazing stuff. But yeah, guys, what do you think about this? Are you going to pick up one of these devices? What phone are you currently rocking right now? Definitely leave it in the comment section down below. But hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.